friends, welcome back to Bush Rats. You're ready with young Lee today on a bit of a solo mission. Got a new roof rack put on the courier a couple of weeks ago, so I thought, fuck it, what's a better way to test it out than to throw a kayak up there, head on down to one of our favourite little rivers there and take it for a paddle. It was a long weekend, hope there's not too many people out there. The weather's not looking too bad, it's just pretty overcast, but we'll get the kayak in the water, a few lines in, a bit of trawling, and we'll see how we go.
Yeah, I'm going west south, where the forest grows. I'm gonna find me a place where the water flows, and time passes so slowly when you're out here on your own. The inspiration comes to me now. There's no rush back home.
Ooh, first fish. Just a little tacker. Been at it from out there to here. Little redfin. Could be the signs of a good day's fishing. Couple of big bulls down here. Morning, mate. Could be on here. Could be Wade. Then we got Wade. Oh no, another little ready. Oh, I dropped him. Oh, get him back here. Keep on keeping on. Back on here again. Ooh, could be bigger. Not really fighting. Ooh, ready and some weed. You. Oh Jesus. Been at it for about, I can still just there to there, about 10-15. Two reddies in the bucket. Let's see if we can get to it. Let's get the line back out now. Peg it. Keep on cruising. Jeez. we got something on here. Maybe a reddy caught in the weeds again. Ah, just weeds. Oh, healthy looking weed. Get that off. So I've just been running the little black Savage crank, about a 3 metre diver. Getting a few little snags here and there, but it seems to be getting the job done. River started to thin out a bit, got a few snags up ahead. See if we can navigate. Weasel my way through. Got him. Alright, we're just cruising up into the snags area, so I'm just gonna fucking take this little Savage off. Just getting a lot of weed caught on him. Switch up to a little plastic, probably anchor up to one of these logs out here and do some bopping. Hope we can get a big boy.
Such is life, Ned Kelly said. He had to pay the price for the things he did. And time passes so slowly when you're out here on your own. The inspiration comes to me now.
On to about your 15th snag in the last fucking 20 minutes. See if we can get him back. Got him. Alright, we might start cruising back, head to the bigger waters, try a bit more lapping, put the diver back on. But if we get anything with this, let you know. Alright, so we've been out here for about an hour or so today. 3 little reddies up in the big water. I thought I'd get something in the snags there. Jigging and lifting a few soft plastics, but nothing today. So we'll hang a few more laps around here. Head along the edges. I'll go check out that bull again. Day for it. Just gotten back out to the deeper water. We've got a fish on here. Just a little piddly boy. Right in front of the car there. He's a bit small, but we'll put him in the bucket. Get the line back out. Back on the Savage diver. Out of the snags, pop him in there. Just going to head up the bigger bit of the river here. And there we go guys, successful little first kayak mission for the channel. Gotta have a few more of them coming up. We'll get Tony out in the other kayak. We've got a couple of them now. So just 3 readies in the bag for today. I'm just cruising back up the road now, following the river back downstream. And I might get out and have a few flicks on the bank. Let you know how we go. Yo! First ready off the shore on the way back out of here. Can be bigger than the sharkers. Decent, little spinner doing the job. It's been a good day's fishing so far.
Well, I've been in this town for a week and 3 days. Way too long, baby.
Again. Ah, just a little wiggy tacker. Just a little small boy. 5th ready of the day. Dropped a couple today, but hey, all in the name of fun. Last cast. There's no rush. There's no rush back home. There's no rush. And there we have it guys, another little bush rats expedition done and dusted. Solo sessions with young Lee. Couple redfin in the bag, we got 5 of them. Good to test out the kayak, test out the roof racks. All works well. Other than that guys, if you like this kind of thing, like and subscribe and check out all our other videos. We've got plenty of fishing, plenty of camping. If you want to get some merch as well, we got shirts, hats, stickers, beanies, we've got it all happening. bushrats.bigcartel.com, check that out as well. And what have we got coming up soon? Soon we got my birthday next week. That's going to be a good time. We got Flatty, Shano, Tony, all the boys, they're all coming out. We're going to get loose for a couple of days down on the water somewhere, get the tents out, get the awnings out. Other than that, we've got the Wellington Dam cleanup coming up, 24th, 25th of April. If you want to get involved in that, hit us up on Instagram at bushrats. And that should be about it, I reckon, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, plenty coming up. Like and subscribe, like I said, it really helps us get the channel cranking. But we'll see you out next time on the tracks. Phew.